ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಕಲಿಬೇಕಂತ ತುಂಬಾ ಆಸೆ, ಬಟ್ ಯಾರು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಲಿಬೇಕಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Do you think people are losing money due to lack of knowledge?
Yeah, of course. That's one of the biggest reasons.
SIP is also something where they invest in stock market, but it's done by a professional, which makes it a little more safer. But if you're getting a chance to learn all this, then don't give up on that. It's a golden opportunity. On top of that, it's free also.
Yeah.
Indian market actually in the last one and a half month it was crashing, to be very honest.
What will you tell to Kalburgi people about stock market?
They lose the more money than they can leverage.
What is your expectation towards Indian market?
Like 18 to 20% maximum.
ಟಿಡಿ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಆಪ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಜೀವನ ಬದಲಾಯಿಸುವ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇನು ಸರ್?
ಸೈನತ್ ಅಂತ.
ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಸರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ?
ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಚೂರು ಗೊತ್ತು.
ಟಿ ಡಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತಾ ಮುಂಚೆನೇ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ, ಟಿ ಡಿ ಒಂದು ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ. ಚಾನಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚಾನಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಟಿ ಡಿಗೆ?
ಹಾಂ, ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಏನು ಸರ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ?
ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಕಲಿಬೇಕಂತ ತುಂಬಾ ಆಸೆ, ಬಟ್ ಯಾರು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಲಿಬೇಕಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಜವರ್ಗಿ ರೋಡ್ ಹತ್ರ. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಸರ್ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ?
ಹಾಂ ಇದೆ, ಕಲಿಬೇಕಂತ ಆಸೆ ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಓಕೆ, ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ ಸರ್.
ಸರಿ,
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಯು ವಾಟ್ ಯು ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. ಲೈಕ್ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಲಿಸನ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್? ಯಾ,
Well, trading comes to my mind.
ಯಾ,
To my mind.
Yeah.
And NSE, BSC,
ಯಾ,
and Dalal Street,
ಯಾ.
and trading, making big money.
Yeah.
That's what comes to my mind when I think about trading.
Did you ever tried of trading?
Yeah, of course. I do have a Demat account,
Yeah, okay,
and I have traded a lot
okay,
and have an experience of somewhere around 2 years.
okay, oh great.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's it.
Okay, actually we are conducting a free workshop.
Okay, free workshop.
Free
Okay.
workshop offline
Okay.
workshop we are conducting. It's near New Javargi Road.
What can I expect from the workshop?
You will be getting a free workshop about how to invest, how to trade, where to invest, how to get yearly 15 to 20% of returns. We'll be letting
Okay.
people how they can earn more money.
What kind of trading that would be, like
No,
intraday?
no, we
long
will be
term?
teaching. Yeah, we will be teaching intraday also, long term, and mutual funds, SIP.
Okay, will you be teaching how to read the charts?
Yeah, sir, we will be teaching how to read the charts, all chart patterns we will be teaching. And
Okay.
what will you tell to Kalburgi people about stock market?
Stock market
Yeah.
is a really good way to earn a passive income.
Yeah,
That would help you in the long term,
yeah, okay.
as the returns are really high compared to the nominal way of investing, that is FD
Yeah,
and those kind of nominal investing ways. So trading is a better option.
okay. What will you tell? Some people will be telling stock market is a gambling. They will be telling it's a gambling.
It's to be honest, it's actually a bit of gambling, but one has to be like take the risk, has to read the market. This comes with experience. It's not totally gambling.
Yeah.
It's much more like one has to get the experience, needs to learn how to read the charts,
Okay.
how to predict the stocks,
Okay.
and by doing that, it becomes much more like like a way of proper way of investing rather than a gambling.
Okay, okay.
That's what I
Do you
think.
think people are losing money due to lack of knowledge?
Yeah, of course. That's one of the biggest reason. And future and options, people go for it without any prior information and lose what they have, what they can leverage.
Okay,
They lose the more money than they can leverage.
okay.
That's what I think.
Will you suggest your friends, family members to join free workshop?
Of course, I would.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಸರ್? ಮುರಳಿ ಸರ್. ನಿಮ್ಮದು
ಸಂಕೇತ
ಸರ್? ನಿಮ್ಮದು? ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಸರ್?
ಐಡಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಲೈಕ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ನಿಂದ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ,
ಎಲ್ಲರ ಲೈಕ್ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ರಿಸ್ಕಿ, ಬಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟೆಡ್ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಫೈನ್. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಒಂದು ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ ಇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂತ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ಗೇನು ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್? ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಇಂದ ಭಾಳ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಸರ್. ಅದ ತಲೆಯೇಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಅಂದಾಜ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲಕ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಭಾಳ ರೊಕ್ಕ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವ,
ಹಾಂ,
ಮನಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ. ಅದೇ ಜರ ತಲೆ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೇನು ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಸರ್?
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಓಕೆ
ಏನೋ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು, ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಭಾಳ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಕಲಬುರಗಿ ಜನತೆಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೀ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ? ಎವ್ರಿ ಸಂಡೇ ಫ್ರೀ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ₹1 ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೇನೆ ಫ್ರೀ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್. ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಮೂಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ಕಲಬುರಗಿ ಜನತೆಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಭಾಳ ಒಳ್ಳೇದೇ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಅದೇ ವಿತ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅದರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್.
Good evening.
ಸರ್, ಯುವರ್ ಗುಡ್ ನೇಮ್?
Veer Aditya.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಯುವರ್ ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್? Akshata. Okay ma'am. Sir, do you know anything about stock market? Have you invested?
Yeah, stock market is nothing but when a big company gives little bit of its ownership to different people to raise funds to get their next targets met, like to expand their company.
Okay.
So when they're distributing their ownership, if the company is doing well and if they have less loans, then I think it's a good thing to buy the stock.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how you get to make profit.
Okay. Ma'am, what is your opinion about stock market ma'am, actually?
It's a good investment actually.
Okay. Sir, do you know about TD Academy?
Not exactly.
Not exactly. Okay. Actually, we are conducting a free seminars about mutual fund, SIP,
Okay.
where to invest in. We are conducting a free education every Sunday, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Are you interested?
Yes, I am.
Ma'am, and you?
Yeah.
What would you like to tell to Kalaburgi people, sir, about the stock market and TD Academy?
I am actually from Bidar. I've just come here for the weekend. But
Okay.
if you guys are getting a chance to learn something about stock market and SIP especially,
Yeah.
SIP is also something where they invest in stock market, but it's done by a professional, which makes it a little more safer. But if you're getting a chance to learn all this, then don't give up on that. It's a golden opportunity. On top of that, it's free also.
Yeah.
So you know what? Don't leave this chance. It's a golden opportunity, and try making the best out of it. If I was in your place, I would go for it for sure.
Okay. Ma'am,
Yeah.
what will you tell for other women in Kalaburgi? Would you
It's
recommend
a
them
good
to join?
opportunity to invest in stock market
Okay.
and double your money as well.
Thank you, sir. Nice meeting you, people.
Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, very good.
Your good name?
Myself, Piyush. I'm from New Delhi, right?
Okay. Do you trade in stocks?
Yes, I do trade.
Okay.
I have invested more than 1 lakh in my trading
Okay.
account.
From where did you learn?
Actually, I haven't learned, but gradually, since school time,
Yeah.
I used to watch the chart regularly.
Okay.
So as I've got into this placement, I am working with like Government of India. So I have plenty of budget with me for investing.
Okay.
So I have invested in the current year
Okay.
around 1.5 lakh is there, and
Yeah.
it has grown up to like 7 to 8% return average
Yeah.
from this like 2 quarters only.
Yeah. What is your expectation towards Indian market?
Indian market actually in the last one and a half month it was crashing, to be very honest, and we are shooting this video, I guess we are here on 29th of November. On 27 and 28 the Adani group was
Yeah.
destroyed, and
Actually.
yesterday it reversed back again. No?
Yeah.
So I am very much consistent on this.
Okay. Do you know how much percentage yearly you can make? Do you have any idea about it?
Actually, I have many friends. They are investing,
Yeah.
and they have got their return about like 18 to 20% maximum.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
would
Actually,
say.
ours is a famous academy, TD Academy. Kindly subscribe to it. You will come
Okay,
to
I'll
know
do
about it. Yeah. Actually, we are here. People are not aware about stock market. People are
Yes.
thinking it's a gambling and
Yes,
all.
actually, people have created their own perception that the stock market is not like good thing. Apart from that, it is sort of gambling or something that give you quick money, but it is way more complicated. It requires proper guiding and like proper like guidance and mentorship so that people won't lose their money.
Yeah. Actually, our TD Academy is conducting a free workshop.
Okay.
Every Sunday we are conducting a free workshop.
Okay. Is it
Our
online
branch-
or
No,
offline?
offline only. We have a dedicated staff. All staffs are NISM
Where is it
certified.
located?
It is located near New Javrgi Road. Old Venkatir is there, no? Opposite
Yes,
to
yes,
that.
yes.
Yeah.
I've been to that place many
Yeah.
times.
Once visit to our academy.
All right, I'll
Yeah.
be doing that same.
What do you suggest for Kalaburgi people?
Kalaburgi people, I would recommend that the Kalaburgi people should get into new things. They should know their future, and apart from this, as the city is growing, actually it's been like third year of mine while working here, and it's like expanding. So apart from that, they should know this thing that market is also expanding. When you have the right strategy and right approach, you can grow a lot.
Okay. Will you
That
visit
is-
our academy?
Yeah, definitely. Actually, right now I'm going to Hyderabad, but right after this, for sure, I will definitely meet you there.
We will be conducting free workshop. Kindly
Certainly, I will
support us and tell
For
your
sure.
friends also.
Certainly, I'll do that.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Nice
Thank
to
you.
meet you. Thank you.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗೋದು ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. 7 ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ರಾಜಾಜಿನಗರ, JP ನಗರ, ಯಲಹಂಕ, ಹುಬ್ಳಿ, ಮೈಸೂರು, ಕಲಬುರ್ಗಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ವೈಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಯಾವ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಈ ಕೆಳಕಂಡ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೊದಲೇ ಸೀಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೌಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 500 rupees ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೀಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋದು ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. 3 days ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ, ಶನಿವಾರ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಭಾನುವಾರ. ಸೊ ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ 10 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ 2 ಗಂಟೆ, ಶನಿವಾರ 10 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ 5 ಗಂಟೆ, ಭಾನುವಾರ 10 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ 5 ಗಂಟೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ಗೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಲ್ವೋ TD ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಆ್ಯಪನ್ನು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಈ ಕೂಡಲೇ TD ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಆ್ಯಪನ್ನು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಸಿಗೋಣ ಇದೇ ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಫೇಸ್ ಟು ಫೇಸ್. ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊಂದಲವಿದೆಯಾ? ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿರಲಿ, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ TD ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಯ ಗ್ರಾಹಕ ಸೇವಾ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಸಲಹೆಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.